changing for 2008 Ford Edge air cabin filter. I called Advanced Auto and asked them for a cabin filter. They said the price would have been around $30. So went to Amazon, looked them up, $14. And ran here. Get 2 of them for half the price of the auto parts store. Come on out, don't fight me. Look at that, pretty dirty. Okay. We open it. Compare them. That. So before you go to your local auto parts store, and if you don't need it right away, check out Amazon or eBay, and you can save a lot of money. So I got 2 for half the price of 1.